Hello little friends. Welcome to Tiny Learn Blocks. Hello friends. Today we are going to learn about a new shape. This shape is called a cylinder. A cylinder has two flat ends. It also has one curved surface around the side, one flat surface on the top, and one flat surface on the bottom. Because of its curved side, a cylinder can roll. But because it has flat ends, it can also stand up straight. Some real-life examples of cylinders are a can, a candle, and a drum. Now we know that a can, a candle, and a drum are cylinder. Now you know what a cylinder is. See you in the next shape lesson. Bye-bye.